Hi everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and today's Monday meal is one from our friend Mama Ray Ray in the kitchen on YouTube. This one is an easy penne pasta recipe. We use penne pasta. She used a different one that we didn't have and gluten-free, but it worked just great, so it doesn't matter what kind of noodle you use. But ours is called an easy penne pasta recipe. We're going to put a link to Mama Ray Ray's original video in the description box below so you can go see what pasta she used for this recipe. But it turned out delicious, so thank you Mama Ray Ray for the recipe. And I just wanted to let you guys know that my family is back and now we're out camping, and I get to come. So yay! More videos to come from me camping on the vacation, not alone with a nice lady in the house. Anyway, I'm not bitter. Everything's good. Everything's good. So basically, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have not already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Hope you guys have a great Monday. Chef Yoda the dog out.
Okay, so we're making a recipe from Mama Ray Ray in the Kitchen's YouTube channel, as Yoda was saying. This is her easy, she called it the type of pasta she was using, pasta. So I'm using penne, but ours is a gluten-free Barilla penne. And then we are gonna mix it into this sauce that we just made. It is half of this huge jar of Prego. I did a tablespoon or so of garlic, minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. Then we got some ground white pepper, that's what she used in her recipe, and sea salt to taste. Then a tablespoon of tomato paste and a cup of Parmesan, which we are using dairy-free. We're gonna mix in the pasta to this, and then we're gonna pour it into this dish and put it in the oven, 350 for anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes until the cheese melts and browns. So I'll show you that in a second. All right, so you put it into a dish to put in the oven. If you're using a cast iron skillet, you could put that in there. That's what Mama Ray Ray does, but I don't have a big one. So I covered it with cheese. We're using So Delicious dairy-free mozzarella style shreds. And we are gonna put it in a 350-degree oven for about, I don't know, 5 to 8 minutes. That's how long hers was, so we'll see how long it takes for it to melt. All right, this is the finished product. I did 10 minutes in a 350-degree oven, and it's all ready to go. Hope you guys give it a try. Thanks, Mama Ray Ray. Happy Monday.